Daiken's sound-absorbing ceiling tile gives your home a more peaceful, comfortable, and relaxing living environment. Current design building practices are meant to seal up the interior of the house. This causes noise to echo throughout the house. This echo makes conversations difficult to hear and babies and pet noise seem louder. When Daiken's sound-absorbing acoustic double-layer ceiling tiles are installed, the echoes will be absorbed by the tile and the interior sound will become more comfortable and clearer to listen to. Let's experience the difference of these two different types of sound. The right side of the room is a standard gypsum board ceiling. The left side is an acoustic double-layer ceiling. First, let's listen to the sound in a room with a standard gypsum board ceiling. We can hear the echo. Next, let's listen to the sound in a room with an acoustic double-layer ceiling tile. You can hear the sound clearly. Let's listen again. Standard gypsum board ceiling. Daiken's sound-absorbing acoustic double-layer ceiling tiles. You can clearly hear the difference of an acoustic double-layer ceiling tile provides.